Well, what do you think, David, today? What could be done right now that would resolve it, the strike?
Resolve. Well, I think if the companies came to the table with a couple more dollars and and put that on the table, that would probably get us over the hump. But
That close,
I'm
huh?
yeah, I think we're pretty close. Yeah. Now, as a regional director, I've got 320 units. That's 320 contracts and chairmen inside Ohio and Indiana, and I focus on mostly the smaller units, right? The IPSs and the TOPs. The big three, they have their own vice president, so I'm not at that bargaining table every day. I call and get updates, but I'm not actually sitting there with the big three. So I can't tell you exactly where we're at, but I know we're getting close.
Good. You can kind of feel it, can't you?
Oh yeah, yeah, and
Good.
it's about time.